If you want to know how to upload Reels on Facebook using your iPhone or Android, for that, first you have to open up your Facebook app and now head to your profile by clicking your profile icon. Right under your post, you will see two options, Reels and Live. Go ahead and choose Reel. If it's your first time uploading, Facebook will ask for access to your camera roll. Just hit continue and allow full access. After that, your gallery will open and from here pick the video you wanna upload as a reel. Now click next. On the next screen, you can write some description about your reel. You can also change the audience if you want. And you'll also see the other cool options: add a poll, tag people, add a location, use an AI level if your reel was made with AI. And you can also share to Instagram and many more options. And in the bottom left corner, there's a little save icon. This lets you save your reel as a draft or download it to your phone. And once everything is saved, just hit share now to post your reel. And additionally, if you're managing a Facebook page, you will find the create reel option right on the home page. Just select it and follow the same steps. Isn't it real easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.